to the Priceless Pearl Life with me, Katrina. So do you know anyone who likes to purchase those as seen on TV products? Well, that would be my mom. And today she purchased the Carwash Cannon. I will put it together and the two of us will give it a run. And of course, I'll give you my honest review. So keep watching. It's the Carwash Cannon product review. You simply choose your favorite car wash soap solution and fill it to this line. The remainder of the container will be filled with warm water. To all of my loyal subscribers, welcome back and one big hug from me to you. Thank you so much for stopping by the Johnson Ranch on today. Make sure you like, you comment, and you share this video on today. You know that helps my channel out tremendously and tells YouTube to push me out to more people so more family members can come to the channel. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. So the Carwash Cannon, it is simple to put together. 2 little clicks and that's it. On the top of the cannon, there's a dial, 0 through 5, to change your suds level. Y'all see Mama? I think she's having fun spraying the car down with her car wash cannon. If you're new here, welcome and thanks for stopping by the Johnson Ranch. This is the Priceless Pearl Life and I am Katrina. I am a sister, a daughter, a servant, and a pastor. And I love sharing my lifestyle with you, which includes home decor, cooking, baking, vlogs, shopping hauls, occasional product reviews, and so much more. So come on right now, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload from the Priceless Pearl Life. I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. To finish up the car, I'm using my Sprayway glass cleaner. So, okay, Mom, this one was not too bad. I'm giving the Carwash Cannon 4 stars. Only because when time to rinse, I have to take this gadget apart to rinse the car. Other than that, 4 stars, and I would recommend this product. Stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I'll see you in my next video. Videos are posted Tuesdays and Fridays, 5:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure to follow me on social media. On Twitter, Pastor J, the AKA. And on Facebook, it's the Priceless Pearl Life. And then on Instagram, it's simply Katrina Johnson. Thanks for stopping by, and come back tomorrow at 5:15 p.m. for my, well, you'll have to come back and see what video I'm posting on tomorrow. Until then, be blessed.